Maxine and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, gagawa kami ng Korean mukbang. So as you can see, meron kami ditong Rabokki. Rabokki has noodles, fish cake. Yung fish cake namin merong cheese. Meron din ditong rice cake and sausage. Tapos nilagyan din namin siya ng cheese, yung quick melt. And by the way, I'm with my cousin, si Ate Elaine. So hello.
Hi. Hi
So,
everyone.
if you guys wanna see kung how did we do this, saan binili, and yung mukbang talaga namin, then please keep on watching. So, kukuha muna ako ng soup.
Oh, grabe. Ang lapot. Sana hindi ako dito maano. Ang siguro na ito.
Hindi naman. Yung noodles yung noodles pala na ginamit namin is yung Shin Ramyun. So, dalawang spicy and then isang spicy then dalawang black.
Kaya na ako.
Yan. So, dapat like sabay nating tikman yung noodles, yung rice cake, tapos i-rate natin kung masarap ba.
Oh, black talaga. Maubos ko to.
Okay. So, we'll start. Anong gusto mo na? Yung noodles muna.
Sige.
Sige, yung noodles muna.
May cheese na ba to?
Yeah, may cheese na. But actually, pwede tayong kumuha ng extra cheese eh.
Girl, ang sarap.
Guys, ang sarap.
Ang sarap.
Naiingit na yung mga kasama namin na ayaw sumama sa mukbang.
Ang sarap.
If you have tried yung, meron kasi kaming favorite Korean restaurant na offers tteokbokki and rabokki as well. Yung Coco. Halos same na rin siya. So, masarap. At least na-achieve naman namin yung lasa talaga ng ano.
In fairness.
Actually, yung rabokki talaga, it's meant to be thick, yung soup niya. Mas masarap siya that way. Ate, let's try yung rice cake.
Ang sarap, grabe.
Na-try mo na ba? Hindi pa? Okay, let's try the rice cake.
Okay.
Dapat mag-cheers tayo eh.
Go.
Okay, game. Dito na lang. 1, 2, 3.
Cheers!
Yeah! It's good. Sarap.
Pero gusto ko talaga itong noodles.
Sarap.
Talaga eh. Hindi naman siya sobrang anghang pala.
Yeah. Next, we will try the fish cake with cheese inside. Yung ibang fish cake na siguro nakikita nyo yung flat and like triangle ones. But yung binili namin is yung fish cake na may cheese sa loob. So, it's kind of bulky. So, let's try.
Wait, hold. Oh, OMG.
there's something inside.
Girl.
Siguro ito yung cheese. I don't know if kita niya eh.
Grabe yung cheese. Okay.
Sarap. It's so good.
Grabe. Cheese talaga legit. Oh.
Yeah. It tastes so much better than the regular fish cakes.
Yeah. Oh.
Na triangle lang. Kasi flat lang yun eh.
Mawubos ito agad.
Sarap.
Buo.
Kukuha na niyo yung lasa ng fish cake on the outside and then may added taste pa siya dun sa loob. There's something pa, maliban dun sa cheese. I don't know what to call it. Pero parang, it's really soft. Parang ball, di ba?
Oo.
Na medyo...
Parang tuloy feeling ko may itlog. Basta cheese na parang buong-buo siya talaga. Pagkagat mo.
Guys, it's so good.
Malingkit kayo.
We will add cheese. Since quick melt naman to, quick melt yung
siya,
binili
guys.
na. Yeah, it will melt.
Kaya nga,
Yeah,
it's quick melt.
It's quick melt. So, I'm gonna add. See you then. Okay.
Mix it up.
Yung iba, ginagamit nila not cheddar cheese, but mozzarella.
Mas masarap.
Yeah, but it's kinda expensive. So, okay na rin yung quick melt.
Ang sarap ng effect ng cheese. Bibig.
Yeah.
Pag sobrang init niya, ang hanghang.
And it's not that spicy. It's tolerable. I mean, for us. Hindi rin naman kami yung people na like, so into the spiciness, yung sobrang maanghang. Hindi naman. So, I think you guys can tolerate the spiciness too.
Maglalagyan ko ng rice.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Meron siyang cup of rice.
Ang parang
Here.
ang sa bibig.
Grabe, nagpapawis ako. Ay, nagsisipon too. Let's try the sausage muna.
Yun.
Okay, let's try the sausage. Wait.
Kaya,
1, 2, 3. Yum.
may pagka-smoky flavor.
Yeah.
Wow.
I only like a few sausages and okay to for me. Hindi talaga ako like ma-sausage na all kinds. Pero ito masarap.
Ano yun? Anong challenge yun?
Ha?
Ano yun? Yung maanghang na ramen. Para tayo nagganong challenge.
Samyang.
Samyang.
But
Samyang
it's
challenge.
really spicy kapag samyang.
Oo nga.
I'm gonna add more noodles in my bowl. Do you want to?
Ayaw mo na.
Ayaw mo na.
Woo!
Yeah. Okay.
Pero pa ako eh.
So,
Konti na lang to.
lahat naman na-try na namin yung noodles, yung soup, yung rice cake, and then the fish cake, and the sausage. And overall, I think it's really good. And
You can do it at home.
yeah, you can do it at home. It's super easy. I think when it comes to the price, it's not that cheap. No, it's not that cheap. Kapag binili niyo siya isa-isa, I think medyo expensive din siya. But it's good for sharing na. So, siguro same lang din naman. Actually, mas marami yung serving nito when it comes to the noodles, the fish cake, ganyan. So, mas affordable pa rin yung at home kesa yung lalabas kayo.
Gumastos ka sa labas.
Yeah, or like yung sinabi ko sa inyo na excuse. Or yung sinabi ko sa inyo na restaurant where we frequently buy Rabokki.
Yeah. Gawin nyo na ito sa bahay.
Yeah, I think it's a 9 out of 10 for me.
Yeah,
Ikaw?
same.
Same, di ba?
Kaya 9 kasi maangang siya sa akin.
Pero kinda spicy for you na.
naman. Ayun.
Pwede rin naman na if you really don't want spicy noodles, you can just buy the Shin Ramyun, which is black, and then you can just add a little of the sausage sauce. Kasi meron kami nilagay ng sauce. You can use, I think you saw it there na sa,
The ulam part.
yeah. So, it depends on you eh, kung you just have to taste it while you are cooking.
Sarap niya. Fairness talaga.
Yeah. Super good.
Winner.
We will try this again.
In a few days. Mumula na ako.
All ingredients can be bought at any Korean mart. You just have to find yung mga ingredients. Marami namang Korean marts around QC and siguro kahit saan naman sa inyo, meron din.
Sinisip pala nung noodles yung soup.
Yeah.
Kaya parang kapag kinain mo yung noodles, sobrang na niya, rich.
Yeah.
May mushroom din to. Parang may napapansin ako mushroom.
And hindi pala kami nakapaglagay ng onions and cabbage. So if you guys want added cabbage, you can
Veggies.
veggies, you can just add.
Ganyan na lang yan ng, pwede yan boiled egg.
Yeah.
Sarap yan.
Egg will do.
Busog na ako dito. Isang bowl lang to.
Yung buong niluto namin, I think it's for 6 persons or 6 to 7. Kasya, no? Kasi you can add rice eh. If you add rice, mabubusog ka na agad. Ako rin medyo mabubusog na rin talaga ako with a bowl full of all of these. So, that's it for today's mukbang. So, ubusin na lang namin to with my family. And I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!
Bye-bye. Woo!